Hi guys, on this adventure we're going to give you the live strip experience as we show you the sights walking from the Venetian to the Linq. We're going to try the world famous frozen Baileys at O'Shea's and fulfill one of Wendell's dreams as we have a late night snack at Guy Fieri's. We saw and did so much on this adventure that we'll have to break it into 2 parts. So come along with us on our next adventure. We decided to record our walk from the Venetian to the Linq because when we're at home watching videos, we love to get a glimpse of anything Vegas, and we figured you might like it too. This is our first time to the Linq ever. We've been to the promenade before, but we've never been inside the Linq. The last time we went to the Linq, it was still the Imperial Palace. Enjoy the view and the strip walk, and if you're curious about the frozen Baileys, where to get it, or Guy Fieri's, stick around because we're going to show you all of that and lots more. As soon as you exit the People Movers from the Venetian, you'll immediately see Sephora to your left. Just beyond that is the Walgreens. Then there's Denny's and the White Castle Burger. Unfortunately, on this trip, the Mirage Volcano was being renovated, which I found to be quite unusual considering the hotel has been sold and the Hard Rock Hotel is going to be building a guitar-shaped tower, and the word is it's going to be going where the volcano is. So I guess we'll see. Here we are passing the Casino Royale. This place has a lot of cheap eats, so if you're looking for that kind of stuff, this is one of the places you can go on the strip to find it. They have hot dogs, chili dogs, they have Subway. Next door, there's a McDonald's. So there's all kinds of cheap eats over here. In addition to the casino, this place used to be pumping before. It was a lot of fun. And they had dealers back in the day, but unfortunately, since COVID, they've seemed to have gotten rid of all their live dealers. That's a bummer. And just around the corner is our old stomping grounds, Harrah's Casino and Hotel. We used to have so much fun over here. This place is a small little hotel, but it was perfectly located, right on a really, really good area of the strip, right across Mirage, Caesars. Next door is Flamingo, and back then it was Imperial Palace. And across the street, kitty corner, was Caesar's Palace. So we had so much fun over here until they took out all their Blazing Sevens. Come on, Harrah's, bring back the good Blazing Sevens. Pizza cake. Pizza cake by Buddy Valastro. Wonder it's This is that thing though to buy the cake. $9. It's not bad. Look at the prices. That's not bad. That's a good question, but I mean, how bad can it be? Pizza cake. Oh, they got hot fresh pizza. What? They have hot fresh pizza, it says. Let's try it another day. We're gonna be here for a while.
Regular pizza?
Yeah. It said hot fresh pizza. They must mean pizza. The Linq. Carnival court's closed. Oh, look at that cookie dough, edible cookie dough. Wow, this didn't exist years ago when we used to stay here. This entrance didn't exist. It was all shops, and there was a Ghirardelli and all of that. O'Shea's is to the left. As soon as you walk in the north entrance across from Harrah's, you're gonna see Guy Fieri's. And here we are walking on a quest to find O'Shea's. I've heard so many great things about the frozen Baileys over the years, and I've never really had a chance to try it. This is gonna be my first time, so I was super, super excited. Our first impression of the Linq is that it's really nice. I mean, they really beautified this place. Compared to what it was before when it was the Imperial Palace, it's a lot nicer. But of course, all of that niceness comes at a price, yeah? Here we go! Boy, this place has improved a lot since we stayed here back when it was Imperial Palace. Aesthetically, anyway.
Oh, they have a hat house.
Yep, they do. It was here from before when it was still Imperial Palace. Thank you. Give them your Caesar reward number, you get credit for everything you buy. So we came all the way over here to try Guy Fieri's. What are we getting? The trash can nachos? We're gonna check out the menu and see what else they got. And then also, I think you wanted to try Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips, yeah? And I've been wanting to try this from O'Shea's forever. Oh, it's starting to melt already. Guy Fieri's, and I wanted to try the O'Shea's Bailey's, frozen Bailey's, because I've never had it before and I heard so much good stuff about it. And unfortunately, we just found out that no drinks, outside drinks are allowed at Guy Fieri, so we have to finish this thing. It's huge. It's like, how many ounces is it? I don't know, 16 ounces or something? Let's see. It's kind of large. So we gotta tank this before we go into Guy Fieri's. And the reason why we rushed to go and get it in the first place is because I read online that they close at 8 and it's like 7 something right now. So it's at O'Shea's. It's really good, you guys. If you're thinking about trying it, it's worth it. They don't have the $3 version anymore. You have to, this one is like 10 something after taxes. But I like it, it's good. Just don't drink and drive. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Right on. Thank you. We requested to sit outside. When you come to Guy Fieri's, scan the QR code for the menu. Outside. It's good to have fresh air. The outside of the casino. Wow! Right on, thank you. Trash can nachos, guys. We asked for the pico and the jalapenos on the side because I'm a wimp when it comes to spice. Looks good, smells good. Gonna take a bite? See how it is. Good? Yeah? Worth it? Alright, I'm glad you like it. It's like pork in here or something, yeah? See the bite. I like it, that's good. What do you think?
Really good.
Yeah? Aren't you glad we came? Flavors, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not. But this is pretty good, and it's a little spicy for me because I'm a lightweight, but not beyond anything that I can handle. And it does have some sweet in it that kind of tempers the spice. I can taste it, so good. And one is plenty enough to share. This is like the perfect bite right here. It's got nachos. There's pulled pork, got a little bit of barbecue sauce and cheese on it. Not too spicy for me. Try it right now. That was good. Good choice, babe. Some of the chips taste like Doritos. So we're wondering, maybe he uses Doritos in parts of it. I'm gonna go research it further and let us know, figure it out. But if you guys know, comment down below and let us know. Thoughts on Guy Fieri's trash can nachos?
Oh, it's really good. like it.
Yeah, it's worth it, yeah? Definitely split it, guys. It's really filling. Like, we didn't finish ours. I'll show you. This is what we have left. We almost ate all of it. There's probably about maybe 4 bites left. 4 or 5. We're too full. And we don't want to get uncomfortably stuffed. So, that's it. Try it if you're in the area. I mean, I wouldn't say go out of your way. There's a lot of really good eating places in Vegas, but we've been wanting to try Guy Fieri's. He's a fan of Guy Fieri's. He obsessively watches, what is that? Diners, drive-ins, and dives. So, yeah. If you're in the area and you want to try it out, definitely try it out. The trash can nachos are really good. They're very filling. It's a little bit spicy. Like, I'm super sensitive to spice. So, I asked him to put the pico de gallo and the jalapeno on the side, and it's still a little spicy. My tongue is still kind of tingling a little, but I could handle it.
Was it spicy enough?
Right. See, he likes to eat spicy stuff to the point where the sweat's dripping down his face. I cannot. At Guy Fieri's, they have space heaters up above to keep you nice and warm, and then they also have these. But since it's kind of emptying out, they turn them off one by one as people left. It's still nice and warm. We thoroughly enjoyed the O'Shea's Frozen Baileys and Guy Fieri's. They're both winners. Stay tuned for our next video when we explore the Linq Promenade, show you practically all the restaurants and stores, and explore the family-friendly I Love Sugar store. We hope you enjoyed our adventure to O'Shea's, Guy Fieri's, and the Linq. And if you did, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to receive notifications. As always, we're happy to answer any questions, so comment down below. Aloha!